boy, YouTube. Yep. Peter's luck strikes again this year. So, yeah, so I was cutting the grass, just like usual, and out of nowhere, kept hearing this really loud noise, and I'm like, what is that? Sure enough, can you guys see that? I don't think it's supposed to be like that. It's definitely on the shot side. So I ordered just that one spindle, the entire assembly here, to replace that, because the rest seem fine. I'm not going to replace all of them, at least right now. I really can't afford it. And I also ordered a new pulley for the transmission, because I think that one's just worn out at this point. I want to see if replacing the pulley does anything for the what do you call it? Well, I really gotta repaint this deck this winter. Probably gonna strip the whole thing down and repaint it. I don't want it to be rusting out on me. Might even create a some kind of bar system on the side, so that if I run into anything, I don't destroy the deck. But anyway, I want to see if replacing the pulley does anything to help out the transmission, because I really don't think the transmission's doing that bad anymore. I think at this point the belt is just slipping, causing it to feel like we're having problems, but I don't think there is any actual problems. So yeah, we're gonna give that a shot. Like I said, since the deck is off at this point, I'm gonna just go ahead, I'm gonna sharpen up the blades. Really don't want to get new blades this year. That's for sure. And we're gonna keep putting along. Just trying to get this thing to last throughout the year, but I wasn't even able to finish cutting the grass because I kept hearing this really loud noise, and I'm like, I know if I keep cutting the grass, I'm gonna end up destroying something else, and I really don't want to do that. So I'm glad I did stop, because it's pretty bad. I mean, look at how bad that bearing is. I don't even know how that happened. It's just cutting the grass like normal, and sure enough, pulley just completely snapped on me. But everything else seems okay. So we're just gonna keep chugging along, like I said, and hope that nothing else breaks, since I really can't afford it at this point. And there's so many things just kind of fell through this year. Including with this. I mean, I expected the engine to be good when I bought it. Sure enough, the engine was definitely blown, and partially my fault. Really, wouldn't have been able to tell, but so yeah. Let's hope we're able to just fix this pretty easily, get it back going. Like I said, I'm going to sharpen the blades. I'll probably put that in this video. We'll just keep chugging along, because I need this thing running. And over the winter, we can do some touch-up painting, like on the deck and stuff like that. Maybe we'll get the other tire mounted, because I do have a new tire as well for the other side. We just have to replace this spindle over here. Not spindle, the actual the hub where it attaches, because it's not made for this specific rim. So just gotta do that to the other side. And then maybe we can have maybe a month or two without any problems. We'll see. I also want to create, or see if I can get a new cover for it, because I don't know, the system works, with the Velcro, but I'm not really a fan of it. It doesn't exactly look fantastic. Not that it really matters, just needs to cut the grass, so I'll probably just leave it. And the parts for the snowblower are coming in soon, so we'll be able to get that going. And then we still have the chainsaw. We got a blower we got to fix. Tons of other stuff. But yeah, that's all I got for now, YouTube. Stay tuned. Just gonna keep chugging along like always. So Diesel Dan Peters signing out for now.